To set up a fingerprint sensor on POCO C85, go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we need to scroll down a little bit and we need to find Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. And then let's go over there. Of course, you need to have a screen lock password created to be able to set up a fingerprint. So once you do have the screen lock, we can just tap on Fingerprint Unlock. And then we need to enter our password. And then we can start setting up the fingerprint. It is located on the power button, so we just have to touch the power button. And then we need to lift it and just keep doing that multiple times. And try to touch it from different angles, just like that, so that of course the phone can always recognize your fingerprint quite easily. And then it doesn't matter which side of the finger you use. Remember about the edges of your fingerprint as well. And once you are done, once this whole image is filled with the color, we should be able to proceed. There we go. We can change the name of the fingerprint as well, but let's just tap on the done. And that's all you have to do. Now you should be able to quickly unlock your phone with the fingerprint by just touching the power button. You don't have to press it, you can just simply touch it. Subscribe to my channel.